Okay, so my plan is to combine Ironman Mark 3, Mark 42, Mark 50, and Mark 85. All of these together in a combination. Alright, so here's my blueprints. This is Mark 3. This is Mark 42, as you can see. This is Mark 50. And this is Mark 85. Okay, all of these are the blueprints from which I'll be making my flipbook, and this is gonna move in such a manner from Mark 3 to Mark 42, from Mark 50 to Mark 85 in a opposite S shape. Okay, so let's move forward.
Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene.